Alright, you two boys. Now, if you probably remember about the window cleaning and the polishing last time, well, we're going to have a go at hoovering today.
Ah, Hoover? Oh, I thought you mean, let's have a go under Miss Hoover.
What? It's not Miss Hoover. And I do mean it's actually a Hoover.
Oh, yeah, right. Miss Hoover.
I said it's just a Hoover.
And I say Miss Hoover.
It's a Hoover, not a person.
Oh, Hoover! What, as a machine?
Yes, Bob.
Oh, I see. Sorry, Dad. I was only referring to The Simpsons. Even though I'm not supposed to talk about The Simpsons.
That's okay, boy. It's fine. Anyways, you two, see that machine over there? That really is a Hoover.
Oh, so what is a Hoover for, Dad?
Well, obviously, Ben, to pick up all the bits that some people find it difficult to pick up.
Oh.
Even with paws, Dad. Even with paws. Right, anyways, I will show you how I do it.
Okay, but please make sure you don't Hoover us.
Wait, I won't. Alright then, you two boys. Now, this is how I use the Hoover, just to make sure it's all right. Right, so what I do is press the button like so, and then of course we just have to push it like this, and it will suddenly pick up all the bits. See? See, boys?
Oh, I see. Now I understand why it looks like it's a Hoover.
Yeah, that's too right, boys. It is.
Wow, it's like...
No, what? Oh, sorry, you two. Bet you thought that I thought that you was like a piece of trash. You're not trash. I know that, boy, I know that. Right, now, when we finish with the Hoover, we just switch it off like this.
Wow, that's a cool machine. So does that mean more housework?
Yes, I'm afraid so, boy.
Oh dear, I knew this was another house.
Alright, well, I better leave you two boys to it then. Well, see you in a minute.
Well then, Ben, who wants to have a go at the Hoover first? I think I'll have a go first, Bort.
Oh, alright then.
Okay. Now, let me see if I remember what Dad said. That's the box right there. Alright, let's get on with it then. Here we go. Alright, Bort, do you want to have a go now? I think I'd be happy to. Alright then. Oh. Right, now let's get on with this. I think I'll do it over here this time. Right now it's my chance to think about hoovering Ben. Hey Ben, the Hoover's going to get you! Oh no! Dad! God's going to hoover me!
What? I switched that thing off.
Alright. Yes, Dad?
What? Were you just about to hoover Ben up?
No! I was not!
Yes, you are, boy. Tell me the truth. Now!
Alright. Yes, I did manage to hoover Ben up. But luckily I did stop because of your boots.
Yeah, well, only because I had to, boy.
Oh, anyway, did you and Ben do an amazing job, by the way?
Yes, me and Ben certainly did.
Good.
Alright then. I think the Dorothy should bring the Hoover back downstairs now, so could you get back to him? Yeah, sure. Dorothy, do you think you could take the Hoover downstairs for us? Yeah, 'cause I think I've had enough of this. What? Oh! Okay then. Well, I suppose I better have you. Yeah, bye-bye everyone. See you in the next short. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye for me, Bear.
Well, I suppose I better take that down. End of a short.